Hello dear students, today we will discuss acids, bases and salts. Let us start from the acids. Let us discuss the properties of acids. Acid produce hydrogen ion in water, has sour taste, turn blue litmus red, act as electrolytes in solution, neutralize solutions carrying hydroxide ions means bases, reacts with several metals releasing hydrogen gas, react with carbonates releasing carbon dioxide, destroy body tissues, corrodes metal surface quickly. On the basis of origin, acids are classified as organic acids, acid derived from living organisms like plants and animals. For example, citric acid is present in food, acetic acid present in vinegar, oxalic acid present in tomato, tartaric acid present in tamarind, lactic acid present in sour milk and curd. Here you can see the different sources of acids, organic acids. You can see here. Mineral acids, they are also called inorganic acid. They are dangerous. Example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. On the basis of their strength, acids are classified as strong acid, completely dissociate into ions in aqueous solution. Example, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. Weak acids are those acids which do not completely dissociate into its ions in aqueous solution. For example, carbonic acid, acetic acid. Let us discuss the properties of base. Bases produce hydroxide ion in water. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. Bitter taste, turn red litmus blue, act as electrolytes in solution, neutralize solution containing H ions, have a slippery, soapy feel, and dissolve fatty materials. That's why bases are in soaps. On the basis of their strength, bases are classified as strong bases. Strong bases are those bases which completely dissociate into its ions in aqueous solution. Example, NaOH and KOH. Weak bases are those which do not completely dissociate into its ion in aqueous solution. For example, ammonium hydroxide. Strength of acid or base solutions. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution called pH scale has been developed. The P in the pH stands for Potenz in German, is meaning power, P potential or power, H for hydrogen ion. If pH is 7, then it is the neutral solution. If pH is greater than 7, then it is basic solution. If pH is less than 7, then it is the acid solution. Range of pH is from 1 to 14. Here you can see the pH scale. 1 to 6 is the acids, 7 is the neutral, and above that is base. You can see different pH of different things. pH sensitivity of plant and animals. Human body works in a narrow range of pH 7 to 7.8. Acidity can be lethal for plants and animals. pH of digestive system is approx 1.5 pH. Stomach secret NaCl to kill bacteria in the food. The inner lining of stomach protects vital cells from the acidic pH. pH and tooth decay. Lower pH because of sour food and sweet food can cause tooth decay. The pH of mouth should always be more than 5.5. pH has self-defense mechanism in plants and animals. Certain animals like bee and plants like nettle secrete highly acidic substance for self-defense. Properties of salts. Salt from the combination of acid and base through neutralization reaction. The acidic and basic nature of salt depend on the acid and base combined in neutralization reaction. The most common salt is sodium chloride or table salt. which formed by the combination of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Other examples include Epsom salt, used in bath salts, ammonium nitrate used as fertilizer, and baking soda used in cooking. The pH of salt solution depends on the strength of the acid and base combined in neutralization reaction. Here you can see the most common salt, NaCl. If acid is strong and base is also strong, then salt will be neutral. Here you can see if acid is strong, base is weak, the salt will be acidic. If acid is weak and base is strong, then salt will be basic in nature. If both are weak, acid and base both are weak, then salt will be neutral. Means अगर acid ज़्यादा strong होगा तो salt acidic होगा, base strong होगा तो salt basic होगा. Indicators are the substance which indicate the acidic or basic nature of the solution by their color change. Indicators: litmus solution, in acidic medium it is red and in basic medium it is blue. Methyl orange in acidic medium pink and basic medium orange. Phenolphthalein in acidic medium colorless and in basic medium pink. Methyl red in acidic medium yellow and in basic medium red. Chemical properties of acid. Let us discuss the chemical properties now. Acids react with active metals to give hydrogen gas. Here you can see the equation. Acids reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonate to give carbon dioxide. Acids react with bases to give salts and water. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. An acid reacts with metal oxide to give salt and water. Addition of acid or bases in water. The process of dissolving an acid, especially nitric acid or sulfuric acid, or a base in a water is highly exothermic. One as a rule always add acid to water and never the other way. The acid must be added slowly to water with constant stirring. If one mixes the other way by adding water to a concentrated acid, the heat generated causes the mixture to splash out and causes burn. Chemical properties of bases. Reaction with metal. Certain reactive metals such as zinc, aluminum, tin react with alkali solution on heating and hydrogen gas is evolved. Reaction with acid. Bases reacts with acids to form salt and water. A reaction with non-metallic oxide. These oxides are generally acidic in nature. They react with bases to form salt and water. Common salt. Sodium chloride is known as a common salt. Its main sources is seawater. It also exists in the form of rocks and called rock salt. Common salt is an important component of our food. It also used for preparing sodium hydroxide, baking soda, and many other compounds. Sodium hydroxide is prepared by chloralkali process. Electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Chlorine gas is formed on the anode and hydrogen gas is on the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. Bleaching powder is represented at CaOCl2. Though the actual composition is quite complex, bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. It is used to bleach the clothes and various disinfectants. Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, prepared by heating gypsum. This way it is heated and plaster of Paris is obtained. Washing soda. Sodium carbonate is the first step. Sodium carbonate is obtained by heating baking soda. Then washing soda is produced by recrystallization of sodium carbonate. This way, baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is prepared by sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. Then ammonium chloride and baking powder is made, and this baking powder is used in baking industries for making cake, pastries, and in making pakoras, etc.